Hello guys, Adrian here from AppSeed. During this short video, I want to say a few words about the latest evolution that we've made on the app generator. The software dashboard, a really nice and popular design from creative team, has been updated to the latest version. On top of this, we provide a small enhancement of the design. We've provided a dark theme switcher just to make the UI more appealing to your users. In case you prefer the design and like the UI and the components and all the pages, you just need to go to the generator page here, select the software dashboard as a design, select your preferred backend, customize the database and the deployment, and hit the generate button. For newcomers, AppSeed is a platform that uses in-house developed automation tools to provide full stack application, many languages and patterns. We have also a branch on the generator that build automatically full stack projects on top of React. But we will address that feature in another video. Once the server accepts the request, um, if the process is successful, the first thing that you can get is the zip archive of the generated product. At the same time, the sources are uploaded to GitHub for later reference. So we have here all the build instructions. You can see how to build the product in a different environment like Unix or Windows, and also more information regarding the code base structure and how to use the product in different scenarios. A link to complete documentation is provided on the README. Now let's get back to the process. We can wait to all the files to be uploaded to GitHub, or we just simply download the archive and try to build the product. So let's do this because it's much faster to get the zip archive. Okay, I will once the file is downloaded, I will unzip it here. Okay, and just to speed up the build, I will use the Docker setup that is shipped with the product. So okay, of course you can build manually the product by creating a virtual environment and set up the install the modules and set up the environment required by Flask. But the fastest way is to use the Docker. So at this point the application is up and running, the setup is successful. Let's access the app in the browser. So here's the app. We have here the dark mode. An important fact is that the application is not coming with any default user. So in order to access the private pages, please create a new user using the registration form. I will do that right now. I will put a simple password so the user was created successfully. We can see all the requests logged in the application window here. Okay, and now we have a simple admin dashboard powered by Flask that has a lot of components and UI pages, and also the dark mode and usable authentication and Docker support. So guys, thanks for watching. Feel free to access the platform and build your products and choose your preferred design from this list. Let us know what you think by contact us using the support page. We are almost 24/7 on Discord. So thanks for watching. Please provide feedback. Tell us what you think. Tell us what modules do you need in your projects, and we will be super glad to provide them. Have a super day and see you on the next video. Bye guys.